everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We got T5 here with Becky the Truckee, and we're gonna go through the quick queue line, and this is gonna be Infinity Falls here at SeaWorld 2024. It's the 60th anniversary of SeaWorld, and we hear that this is one of the best white water rapid boat rides we've had. We just had a great ride on a water coaster called Journey to Atlantis. Yes, nicely themed. Had an interesting one. We did get some information on that chain issue. It's a brand new chain. We heard from staff behind the scenes, so it does happen from time to time, just until that gets kicked in. So we went ahead and purchased the platinum passes, season passes, and with that you get one skip the line quick queue card per day per visit, and even the quick queue line has quite a line. So we will see you when we get up there. I'm thinking we still got a half hour in the quick queue and probably maybe an hour or so in the regular line. All right, we'll see you when we get up closer towards the boat. Okay, it's our first time on this ride, so clearly we don't quite know what we're doing. So we went in the regular line. That's why it looked like over a half an hour to me. But you got to see what the regular queue line looks like. Now we can maybe use our quick queue line pass. I think it's on the other side of the gate. Oh, he wasn't there when we were there the first time. There was no attendant. I do believe there was no attendant, and that's why we were confused and then didn't get, and the arrow said quick queue to the left, and then I jumped over there. So don't make that mistake like we did there. And now we're behind a big group because of that. Okay, Nathaniel, where were you? We needed you.
Yeah. Did you get your pass? Which pass? For the quick queue line, you gotta get the pass without your regular line. Yep. Oh, sorry, thank you. Perfect. Can you take the rocks up in there?
Yeah, you can. We didn't see you earlier, just two of us. Yep.
Just keep that one.
Oh, keep that one? Okay. Okay, Becky, seatbelts.
Oh, I got it.
Seatbelts. Seatbelts. You got two clips. You got two clips. Is that yours?
Yeah, it's over here, man. Put over here.
It's over there. There you go. Oh. What happened? Oh, maybe it's a twofer.
Ah, that's
It's like a twofer. We could have been in the same, but this is cool right here. We'll get plenty of room. Thank you so much.
I didn't know what was going on.
How are you guys?
Right.
Have you ever been on this?
Dave's never done
Oh, I've never been on it either. The last boat looked absolutely drowned. Like they were just soaked head to toe, and they took it out of service. So I'm like, okay. Well, I'm like, no, we'll get on the next ship. That's fine. So.
No, we got it. This is morning. We've been trying to get on here, but the time was too long. And
Oh.
now we're getting on this, and now we know we're gonna be crunching.
Oh yeah, for sure. We went and put our swim shoes on. We carry them in our backpacks because we've learned walking with wet feet all day is a rough go. So. All right. That's a good choice. The sandals will dry quick. I normally put my feet up on this, but I don't care in these shoes. If you guys want to put your feet up so you don't get your tennies soaked, you can. You know. All right.
I knew I was gonna come here, and I didn't bring a bathing suit, so.
Nice. It's a fun park, really. Okay. We've got an empty ship ahead of us. And I don't know what to expect. Sometimes I don't know if I'm crazy about these high back seats, but we've been on some before where it's fun. So what would you say the best ride of this we've been on so far? Mystic River Falls.
Cedar Point was pretty good. That had some speed. It looks like this one too.
What's that one called? It's Cedar Point? I've been on it.
I know.
Where's Mystic River Falls? Is that Silver Dollar City? They added to the old one. It was super tall. Congo Falls is no, that's Kings Island.
I know it's slipping my mind right now. Cedar Point.
All right.
It'll come to me eventually.
It'll come back. It's been a very hot day. It got up to 102 today. We've been in it all day. Park open, and now what are we, like 6 o'clock or something?
I think it's
7 o'clock?
Yeah.
Hard to say.
A little later than
Okay, everybody. That was a long starter, and off we go.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. I said I wasn't going to put my feet up, and they're already up. just instantly. All right.
Oh,
It looks like it picks up some speed. Oh, we got a waterfall. Oh, okay. Okay, we've got a drop, Becky. It's gonna be you. It's gonna be you. No, it's gonna be me. Ah! Oh no, that was the. Oh, there it is. Oh boy. You're gonna get it again. Oh. Oh, I'm going backwards. I'm going backwards. Oh wow, all right. Oh, there it is. Oh, we got some water. Oh, wow. Here it comes. Oh, now we're spinning. Oh, the drop is that big? That's a good size drop. Oh. I still can't figure out what that tower is. It might just be a decorative cell phone tower. I'm not sure. So
Very decorative, yeah.
it's different. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think it has something to do with the ride, but I'm not sure. All right, up the lift hill we go, everybody. Here we're going up. You're gonna get wet. That thing's dripping. It's like a little extra waterfall effect. Woo! That's the big heavy rain there. Oh, that's how you get soaked. Right there. Woo! Shake it off a little bit. Okay. Oh, they look really wet on the last ship that got off. It's right ahead of us. So. Oh no. Are we slowing down?
A little bit.
Oh boy. Don't slow me down.
Don't say, oh no.
Don't slow us down. We want to get in this. Back in the rapids. This looks really jostly. Oh, it's going to put you in a full spin, Becky. Oh, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, not too bad. We went up last second. Last second it kicked up. I thought for sure. It's because we're not sitting side by side.
Oh my God.
Woo, this is the. Oh, she's in the seat. She's in the hot seat. Oh. Full spin. Oh, Lordy. Oh, boy. Wow, this has got some speed. This is not like a little slow one or anything. Oh, wow, that was lots of water. Oh, man. Woo, she's a rocker. She's a rocker and a roller. Maybe it's running the lift hill.
Oh, it is a lift hill.
Oh, they have an elevator lift. They do have an elevator lift.
That goes up.
Oh, wow. Wow, we've got an elevator lift right in front of us. Okay, so the level just went up a touch.
Wow.
And it comes right down in the water, tracks you right in. And I think we're going straight up, everybody. Here we go. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, wow. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Every time, you're in the hot seat. Woo! Oh, wear your swim shoes or flip-flops, or if you don't care if your shoes get wet, that's fine. That's fine, but definitely be prepared for that. On this one, had a great ride. Just absolutely great ride. Oh, you got at least 3 good splashes there. So, and your shoes got like 5.
My shoes feel like I have a water tank in them.
Oh yeah. I have Gore-Tex waterproof shoes, but if I get water in them, they don't come out, and so it's just like that. So these are the swim shoes, so
I said
no
I wouldn't
worries.
care that much if my shoes got wet, but now I feel like I have the ocean on my shoes.
Oh yeah, as long as you don't walk in them wet too long, it doesn't really tear your feet up, but it's still pretty hot. You might be able to lay them out for a few minutes, let them air out. They'll come down a little bit. Unbuckle and remain seated, she said. Okay, it's gonna spin us around.
Spinning around.
I think it just puts the green entry points on both sides of the ride right here. And really, I had a great ride. It was fun. We had a fun group in the boat. Had some open seating. I didn't expect that. I think it's because they got hung up because they had to take that ship out of service, so they didn't film. You guys can go right ahead of us if you'd like. It was a pleasure riding with you. We had a lot of fun. All right, Becky, I'll follow you out. Okie dokie. All right. All right, Infinity Falls. Had a great ride on that. What'd you think of Infinity Falls?
Yes, great water ride. I had no idea that there was going to be a lift hill element to it. So yeah, definitely added to the ride. And yeah, overall had great speed for the rapid ride. Definitely enjoyed it.
Had a lot of fun on that one. I would compare it to Mystic River Falls and some of the other ones we've been on.
Yeah.
Really, it's a nice one. Has a lot of good speed there. I agree. We had a nice group in the ship with us. You never know who you're going to get paired with, so we had a lot of fun with them. And really, all in all, I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. The elevator lift at the end really picks it up. You have another little lift in there, and there was a part in the middle where it's like up, down, up, down, up, down, and it had like a triple splash, and I was kind of lifted up in the seat a little bit, and just kind of helping her rock, not to like flip it or anything, but just to riding the wave basically. And I had a great ride. The girl right across from us, she got all 3 big splashes, and then like 4 on her feet, I think so. But my feet got soaked. Your shoes will get soaked. You will get wet on that ride. That is a fun water ride. Had a great time with it, and really we were having a great time here at SeaWorld 2024. Thanks for joining us on this video. There'll be several ride videos and encounter videos out on the channel. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers. And if you'd like to become a subscriber or fellow traveler, please do that. We'd appreciate it, and we'll see you all very soon on the next video. Bye, everybody.